Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best small roller paintbrush is probably one of the most underestimated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal, transforming tedious touch-ups and intricate trim work into quick, satisfying tasks, offering unparalleled precision and a smooth finish in tight spaces where larger brushes or rollers simply can't reach, making it an absolute game-changer for achieving professional-looking results without the hassle. Number 5. Edward Tools 7-Piece 4-Inch Paint Roller Kit. Introducing the Edward Tools 7-Piece 4-Inch Paint Roller Kit, your complete solution for all painting projects. This versatile kit is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Experience comfort and control with its heavy-duty 4-inch frame. It features an ergonomic rubber grip handle, making every painting task easier and more precise. This kit comes with 5 high-quality roller covers to suit any surface. You'll find 3 acrylic polyester covers and 2 foam covers, perfect for various paint types and finishes. It includes a solid, reusable plastic paint tray, built for durability and convenience. This deluxe tray makes paint application smooth and mess-free. Whether it's interior walls, exterior surfaces, furniture, or small touch-ups, this set handles it all. It's your go-to for house painting supplies and various small jobs. We stand by the quality of our tools with a lifetime warranty. You can trust this kit to deliver exceptional results for years to come. What we like. This kit offers a comfortable ergonomic grip for extended use, reducing hand fatigue during your projects. With a variety of roller covers included, it's versatile for different paint types and surfaces. If you are looking for a durable, comfortable kit with a lifetime guarantee, you should consider this one for reliable performance. What people say. Number 4. 6-Piece House Paint Roller Kit. This kit includes an extendable paint roller and 5 microfiber covers. It allows you to easily adjust its length for painting walls, floors, or even high ceilings. Extending from 18 to 36 inches in just seconds, it helps you reach high areas effortlessly. Simply rotate, pull, and retract to set the perfect length. Its 1-2-inch nap microfiber covers are tightly woven to prevent shedding, ensuring excellent paint absorption. This delivers smooth, even finishes without splatter, compatible with all types of paints and stains. Crafted from sturdy zinc-plated wire and lightweight aluminum, it's built for long-term use. The soft sponge handle reduces hand fatigue, providing a comfortable and anti-slip grip. Achieve professional-looking results with remarkable ease for all your home painting projects. It offers a comfortable experience, perfect for walls, ceilings, floors, and both interior or exterior tasks. What we like. This kit stands out with its extendable frame, allowing you to easily reach high walls and ceilings without needing a ladder. The non-shedding microfiber covers ensure a smooth, even finish with all paint types. If you need to paint large areas or high spots and want to avoid ladders, this extendable roller is perfect for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Foampro 164 Fine Finish Roller. Introducing the Foampro 164 Fine Finish Roller. This high-density foam roller is designed to help you achieve incredibly smooth and professional results on your painting projects. Crafted with premium high-density foam, it ensures an even application every time. Say goodbye to brush marks and uneven textures. Its convenient 4-inch size makes it ideal for detailed work and smaller surfaces. You'll find it easy to handle and maneuver. This quality tool is proudly manufactured in the United States. You can trust in its durability and performance for all your fine finishing needs. Weighing only 4.3 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its compact dimensions ensure comfortable handling. What we like. This roller is specifically designed with high-density foam to deliver an exceptionally fine and smooth finish. It's ideal for achieving professional-looking results on delicate surfaces. If you are aiming for a flawless, ultra-smooth paint application on cabinets or furniture, this high-density foam roller is your go-to choice. What people say. Number 2. PinStone 20-Piece Small Paint Roller Kit. This comprehensive 20-piece kit provides everything you need for your painting projects. It includes various roller frames, covers, brushes, a tray, liners, tape, and a stirrer. Achieve perfect results with its high-density foam rollers, featuring a unique caved-in edge. This design minimizes paint buildup for straighter lines and smooth, even coats. Its non-shedding 1-3 nap microfiber rollers absorb a large amount of paint and release it quickly. This ensures consistent, even finishes every time you use them. The ultra-tough plastic paint tray resists corrosion and punctures, making it durable for any project. It ensures even paint application and drip-free pouring. The premium synthetic paintbrush is soft and absorbs paint well, leaving no brush strokes. The medium adhesive blue painter's tape prevents bleeding and leaves no residue. These 4-inch and 2-inch mini paint rollers are ideal for smooth to semi-smooth surfaces like walls, cabinets, and furniture. They offer flexibility for precise painting in tight spaces, edges, and for touch-ups. What we like. This comprehensive 20-piece kit provides everything you need for small painting projects and touch-ups. Its unique caved-in edge foam rollers help reduce paint buildup for straighter, cleaner lines. If you're tackling detailed work, edges, or small furniture and want a complete set for precision, this versatile kit is an excellent option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points can be extracted according to the requirements. Number 1. Bates 19-piece paint roller kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your home painting projects. It includes 19 essential pieces, covering preparation, painting, and even cleanup. Crafted from durable materials, it features a sturdy plastic paint tray and both 9-inch and 4-inch roller frames. These come with matching covers, plus a protective drop cloth for your floors. You'll find a sanding block, paint mixer, and can opener for preparation. It also provides a variety of brushes, including foam, flat, and angled options for all your detailed work. 3 paint scrapers are included to assist with surface preparation. Its varied roller sizes and brush styles ensure you can easily tackle walls, corners, trim, and intricate detail areas with precision. Ideal for home interiors and any DIY painting endeavor, this 19-piece set consolidates all your essential wall painting supplies. It offers unparalleled convenience for every project. What we like. This extensive 19-piece kit goes beyond just rollers, including essential tools for prep, painting, and cleanup. It offers a variety of roller sizes and brush styles, making it perfect for diverse painting tasks around the house. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for various home painting projects, from walls to trim, this comprehensive set has you covered. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.